Facebook.
I ain't mad at you. Right. Yes, you have to. They doing everybody wrong.
They will step on you.
Everybody.
Hindi tayong kalaban nila.
Oo. At saka kagabi. So, ayun wala sa mga
Diba si Ate Jo lang noon? Ate Jo lang naman.
Oo.
Ano tayo sa cellphone?
Bakit? Ano?
Siya
Oo.
Okay.
Ang namit ko nanay niya. Nandiyan. Pulangan na. Si Pulangan.
Kailangan naman hulihin.
Siya ba MC? Siya ba MC kagabi?
Siyang pulong bayan leader. Kaya sabi niya, libre. Wala kami masabi. Wala. Sure.
Si Manang Francine. Nandito sila.
Pilipino yan. Yan nagda-drive. Oh, yeah!
Ay baka malis ka sa trabaho. Ito mga ganyan.
Oh, lila kayo, sama!
Wala pa yung sombrero malaki.
Nasaan yung mga dancers natin, saka singers? Mga ano.
Nawala na yung sakit na. Nasaan yung...
Oh. Tingnan nyo, nagpro-protest kayo. Naalis ang rayoma.
Naalis na.
Oh.
Para yun yung makina pag hindi
We
gumagalaw.
protest high blood pressure.
Kinakalawak. Pag galaw ng galaw, nawawala kalawak.
Nag-post ka ba, Paul? We will be.
Oh.
Don't worry about the bee, worry about us.
Kaya sana.
244 na lang daw.
Kaya nga po eh, baka mamaya sa Lunes biglang mas nauna pa yung isa, nanalo na yung isa. Tayo
Bago magbago, unahan na natin.
Saan ba sila mag-ano dito?
Nasa loob si Rolando, tsaka si Judge.
Oh, okay.
Thank you all.
Thank you!
The winner! What did they say?
Oh, they basically explained the process and what's been going on and why there are these outstanding cartridges that have potentially some votes. While they can't say 100% with any assurance, that these are two polling sites where they give out two cartridges or two machines, polling machines, because of the large number of registered voters.
Which one is that?
E7 and
E7 is only one machine. I am there.
Well, what's
I'm
supposed
sorry,
to
I'm
are you a
sorry.
poll worker? Is it a challenger or a poll worker?
I work.
You work
with
there.
the,
So I'm not gonna. Well, what's supposed to happen is the poll worker is supposed to bring back the cartridges from both machines, unless one of the machines.
there is only one machine. We only have
Well,
one
there were
machine.
two machines, they said. But the other one is probably not open because it wasn't used.
Yeah, it could be
And-
reserved.
Right, it's in reserve because of the large number of registered voters. So,
We only have 251 voters who vote. That's
okay.
it.
They're getting your pictures.
Okay.
Yes.
How you doing?
Very good. How
Good, good. How'd it go?
Good.
Who did you meet with?
Superintendent of Elections, Maria Guerra.
Are you? They basically told you what they told me, which was that there are these 2 cartridges and they have to wait
Yes.
until probably at least Monday.
They're trying to get them even today, they said. So
Are you satisfied?
problem
Are
is
you
with-
satisfied that they're doing what they can to certify the election?
I am.
whatever the
I'm
results?
satisfied that They're working on, and it's not a reflection on them or the work that they're doing. It's but we want to make sure that
We want to make sure we know what the
understand.
process is.
Yeah.
And maybe the long
Just to
result
understand
is
what the
not, yeah.
roadblocks are that are. One of them, as I understand, is it's at a school, so the schools are closed because of the NGAE convention.
Oh, okay.
And so there are no, we're trying to get in touch with the custodian.
What school do you know?
What is the school where you
PS9.
PS9.
Yeah. John F. Kennedy.
Are you confident that once it's certified, you'll be certified the winner along with Viola?
Yes.
I was talking to a lot of your supporters who said that it's kind of been a long time for the Filipino community to get someone that they really supported on the council. And that probably lends a little bit of the frustration with it not being done right away. Do you think that has to do with it?
Yes, and I think when you look at the history of the county, Jersey City politics, and then
They will say there are 2 machines on my phone. So I could bring the other.
Nandito kami sa Cornelison Avenue. Baba ka na Academy, tapos Mill Street. Ito malapit sa. Oh, doon sa harap, yung sa likod
Turn
mo.
that age.
Thanks so much.
Thank
Good
you.
luck. Talk to you soon. I'll keep in touch. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
So there are just those 2 polling locations. Their feeling is that there is, in both of those cartridges, it's because they weren't used, and so there's probably no votes on them at all, and so it probably won't alter the result. There are some provisional ballots that still have to be tallied.
200
there were
something.
240 something provisional ballots, and that counting process will begin tomorrow.
Are we going to have a still working?
Excuse me?
Are we going to have a watcher when they start counting?
They don't typically have it be watched. It's usually the people in the county that are involved in that process. The same thing they said with the absentee ballots as well as the.
Will they allow at least representatives from the closest candidates?
They said they're not even sure if the office is open, so they're not sure how to let anybody in. But we have the phone number for the Board of Election Director, Michael Harper. And I will call them tomorrow to see if they will let us in at 10 o'clock.
Tomorrow is a holiday.
Yeah.
Yes, tomorrow's a holiday, so, but they're going to come in. They'll know exactly what time. They need to tell me what time they were going to begin that process of counting those provisional ballots.
Veterans tomorrow.
But we have their contact information. We'll be in contact with them to find out when, and then make sure that we can, if we can have a representative be there, and we're gonna have some.
Would be good.
Yeah. Make sure.
You and
We will be there. I'll go there.
Mark.
Probably Veronica. So I'll probably be working. No, it's not a box. It's a machine-like cartridge of some sort. To be honest with you, I don't know how it physically looks and what how it's taken care of, but it's a cartridge that I guess they use to electronically tabulate all the information. So I've been informed that they're sealed with certain things, so that you have to break the seal if somebody is going to start counting the votes or even manipulate the votes anyway. So those seals should not be broken if they were not utilized.
And is someone keeping watch for you?
Keeping watch on what?
On the machine, whatever.
God is keeping watch. He's
Yes.
gonna be fine. I think he's gonna be fine.
Yes.
We're
We're gonna make sure it's all taken care of and then everything is on the, yes. Yeah.
They won't let you.
This is
And
not,
those cartridges, actually one of the cartridges are now here in a warehouse. What they're waiting for is a court order to unseal it because technically they're not allowed to do that since in the period of time that's elapsed since the election. So they've actually delivered a copy of the notice to me from the sheriff's office saying that they've requested the judge to provide them the authority to unseal these cartridges.
how long will it last?
So it's looking like Monday is when they will unseal it because of the holiday.
We have to be very vigilant.
Yes, we're going to remain vigilant, and I thank you all because
it happened.
yes,
Okay, it happened already.
Yes.
There's a city.
How is it? We have to disband or what?
I think we're going to just remain vigilant. They know that
Keep
the
your
eyes are watching.
keep your signs. Don't throw it out.
Keep your signs. Yes.
Because next week, if they don't like declare Rolando, we'll like be here. We'll be more
Okay.
people here.
More people here. Time
We
is
should
time.
be here. Lando, you make a point that Tuesday or Wednesday we will be here.
Okay.
That's all.
If they don't
If
like
they will not do it in your favor, then we will come back again.
Yes.
I think it's Monday. Monday is when they're going to get the judge to issue an order to open those 2 missing cartridges.
Okay.
That will be on Monday. So on Monday
Hi.
is when we know what those counts are,
Hi,
whether
this is Rolando.
it's 0 or something.
Well, the tape wasn't returned to them, so they didn't retrieve it. So they can't validate.
I only want to let you know is, number one, that this is a very active area, so please be mindful if
Please,
you're going to be in the street.
No, we won't be on the
No,
street.
no, that's
only on
fine.
the
I'm just letting you
sidewalk.
know. And also, if you could, this is specifically painted out for people to be able to
I
cross
got
the
it.
street
Okay.
because it's
So
cut
they
out.
have to retrieve the other machine.
So if you could just either be to the left or the right, I very much
you.
appreciate it.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Kanina pa sila nakaupo sa sasakyan eh, bandi sila lumapit.
Hindi, nag-iisa kasi yung nakaupo eh. Oh, dumating yung dalawa, tsaka siya lumabas.
Kaya pala ayaw.
Mananay, dito kayo. Bawal kayo dyan daw.